Aluminum windows, its types, advantages and disadvantages. Hello friends. Today we will talk about aluminium windows, its types, advantages and disadvantages. Aluminum windows are quite popular these days. They look good, durable, easy to maintain, and as creative as you want. These windows are light in weight, perfectly weather resistant, and also increase the energy efficiency of your premise to a great extent. Presently, architects do prefer aluminum for its aesthetics, insulation power, color friendliness, and many other handy benefits. Let's watch here why aluminum windows are much ahead in the popularity quotient. But before that, let's take a quick look at wooden doors and windows, which were traditionally most popular in use for making windows and doors. Like most other building components, windows and doors have evolved over the years. Windows are now made not only from wood but also from aluminum, steel, vinyl, and fiberglass. Additionally, two materials are often combined in the same window to take advantage of their different properties. However, aluminum is by far the most commonly used window material today. So, let us understand aluminum windows in detail. Why aluminium? Aluminum is the material that is also used presently in glass curtain walls and store fronts. Apart from strength and durability, it is not affected by moisture and shrinkage or swelling due to random sun exposure or change in moisture content. The anodized or painted finish on aluminum is virtually permanent. Aluminum windows require almost no maintenance. The malleability, capable of being shaped, and flexibility of aluminum is perhaps the most important reason for its extensive use as a window material. Because of its malleability, aluminum can be extruded into complex cross-sections, which are specially designed to facilitate the structuring of the window. For example, continuous round, hollow intrusions, which are referred to as screw splines, are commonly provided in aluminum cross-sections to join horizontal and vertical frame members. The flexibility of aluminum allows the use of snap-on carving, whereby two separate aluminum sections can be joined together without any fasteners. For example, in aluminum windows and curtain walls, glazing stops are simply snapped on, no need for adding screws or any other fastening material. Additionally, two aluminum windows can be effortlessly snap-connected by using mating mullion profiles to provide a larger window with a common mullion without the use of fasteners. Advantages of aluminium windows. Aluminium window frames are available in anodized and powder-coated finishes, which are extremely durable and need no maintenance. They are perfectly suited to both traditional and contemporary designed homes as they are more attractive and can add an impressive appearance. Aluminium windows are light in weight but still strong in resilience. It has an extremely long life of around 30 to 50 years or even more if maintained periodically. Some aluminum windows can be easily recycled. This makes it one of the best materials to use when it comes to creating an environment-friendly window. Thus, aluminum windows help to reduce your negative impact on the environment and improve overall sustainability. Aluminium is not easily corroded. Over years, it may have a slightly negative impact of corrosion on it. Aluminium windows do not attract termites, pests, or other insects. So you don't have the obligation of pest controlling. Aluminium windows are easy to maintain. It requires anodizing or powder coating after a long period of use. They do not shrink or swell and hence are easy to operate during all seasons. Because of the higher strength of frame sections, their sizes are small, and hence an aluminum window looks sleek and attractive. It provides more area for the transmission of light. You do not need to use hardware like tower bolts, hinges, etc., thereby you may save some amount in terms of cost. With the use of double, triple glazing, with air, gas gaps, and also with the use of toughened glass, the window can be made soundproof, energy efficient, and also it may offer the protection of high security. Of course, these variants are costly. However, such features would be almost impossible or highly expensive to implement in the case of wooden windows. It is available globally at an almost uniform rate. They are mostly made in a factory and thus installation time is less, and hence it speeds up construction, and needs fewer laborers, skilled workers' involvement. Disadvantages of aluminium windows. The disadvantage of aluminum is its low R value. R value is a measurement of heat resistance. However, with the introduction of thermally improved, also called thermally broken, aluminum frames, the situation has substantially improved. The powder coating on the aluminum window frame may discolor quickly. It does not have high UV resistance. Aluminium is a good conductor of heat. Therefore, it cannot provide you optimum insulation protection from heat when there is a cold climate outside, as heat will be lost through the aluminum window frame. Like wooden frames, you cannot fix MS grills to aluminum frames for security. For fixing grills, you have to provide stone frames all around 4 sides, to which the grills can be fixed. Of course, such stone frames enhance the beauty and help to keep jambs and sills neat and clean. In the case of sliding windows, depending upon the number of sliding shutters, only 25% to 50% of windows will open for air to flow, i.e. 100% of windows will never open in case of sliding windows, as in case of wooden windows or casement in windows. Cleaning the inside of small size section is tedious, particularly when the dust is more. You can do it with a vacuum cleaner. Although you may provide mosquito shutters in the sliding windows, only 25% to 50% will open for easy flow of air. If either joint between aluminium frames and stones frame or plastered walls are not properly sealed with waterproof materials, there is the probability that water may enter from there during monsoon. So, sealing with silicone sealants by skilled workers with appropriate tools like sealant guns is very important. Conclusion. To sum up, aluminum windows are ideal for homeowners who want a low-maintenance window option with high-performance quality at an affordable cost. They make the surrounding brighter and healthier. Corrosion resistance, flexibility, and natural strength are the reasons aluminum is the preferred metal for making windows with this metal. Modern aluminum windows are a great choice for enhancing curb appeal or finishing a contemporary house. It gives your home an excellent smart look. However, it is important to design right to enjoy plenty of benefits. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make Home.